Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Edmond Mindaros. And for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve if you're coming across an issue on your Windows computer with the error message. Error while trying to run project, could not load file or assembly, power or one of its dependencies. The module was expected to contain an assembly manifest. So there can be multiple reasons why applications file fail to load a DLL file. So it could be DLL file is missing or it's unregistered corruption file and an accessible file. Kung paano ba natin ito i-fix, and without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to edit at registry editor. Kung paano ba yan natin gawin, all you have to do is to open up on a search menu. And dito sa search for app, so type mo lang dito yung registry editor. And then kailangan mo lang mag-right click and select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and i-click mo lang dito yung yes. So once na-open mo na tong registry, so before you proceed in the registry, I will suggest you to create a backup file. So if anything go wrong, you could easily restore it back. In order to create a backup, it's very simple. All you have to do is to select lang yung file dito sa taas. So click mo lang yan. And then select mo lang dito yung export. And dito sa export registry file, and select mo lang dito kung saan mo isisave yung file. And then by creating file name must be with a date. So kailangan mo lalagyan ng date yung file name, and then i-click mo lang dito yung save. Alright, so if you needed to import it back, so all you have to do, same procedure, dito lang sa taas, i-click mo lang dito yung file, and select mo lang dito yung import. And dito sa import registry file, and select mo lang dito kung saan mo sinave yung file, and then i-click mo lang dito yung open. Alright, so start na tayo. Ang next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung HK local machine. So double click ka lang dito sa folder na yan. And then dito sa HK local machines, ang next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung software folder. So double click ulit. And dito sa software folder, ang next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung Microsoft folder. So double click ulit dito. And dito sa Microsoft folder, ang next step ay kailangan mo lang i-locate dito yung Fusions folder. So scroll down and then i-locate lang natin dito yung Fusion folder. So ang gagawin natin dito is select mo lang yan one time. At dito sa right side or right panel ay kailangan natin mag-create dito ng new folder. Kung paano ba yan mag-create ng new folder? So dito sa blank space area, kailangan mo lang mag-right click and select mo lang dito yung new, at dito sa key, kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung dword 32-bit value. So click mo lang yan. At dito sa new value ay kailangan natin yan i-rename. So ito yung ilalagay natin, disable cache and viewer. Ayan. So kailangan mo lang i-rename ng disable. So yung D is big letter and then yung cache, so big letter yung C, and then yung viewer, B is big letter and one word lahat yan. So disable cache viewer, and press mo lang yung enter. And then once na press mo na yung enter, and then kailangan mo lang mag double click at dito sa kanyang edit dword 32-bit value, so double check yung value name na disable cache viewer, at dito sa value data, yung 0 ay i-change natin into 1. Okay? So once na change mo na yung into 1, at dito sa base, i-select mo lang dito yung hexadecimal, and then i-click mo lang dito yung okay. Alright, so after dito, at dito lang sa start menu, and kailangan mo lang mag-restart. Okay, click mo lang yan. Ayan, so ganun lang po kasimple on how to fix could not load file or assembly or one of its dependencies error. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.